Good morning, students. Today we are going to take a new question of dissolution. As in the question is given, A and B were partners in the firm, sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. The balance sheet of the firm on 31st March 2014 was as follows. Now, listen to the question very carefully. In the liability side, there are three items. One is sundry creditors of 80,000. B is sister's loan. B is the partner, but here B's sister's loan is given of 20,000 and capitals of A and B 1,75,000 of A and 1,94,000 of B. These are the amounts in the liabilities. Now we will see what are the amounts in the credit side, means asset side. Bank of rupees 1,72,000, debtors of 27,000, stock 50,000, furniture is of 2,20,000, and on the above date the firm was dissolved. The assets were realized and liabilities were paid off as follows. The additional information are given. 50% of furniture was taken over by A. In the video of yesterday we have seen all the assets were sold. Today we will see some assets were sold and some assets were taken by the partner. So here it is written 50% of the furniture was taken over by A at 20% less than book value. The remaining furniture was sold rupees 1,05,000. Debtors realized 26,000. Stock was taken over by for 29,000. B sisters loan was paid off among with interest of 2,000 rupees. Expenses of realization, which are called dissolution expenses, of rupees 5,000. Prepare realization account, capital account and bank account. Now we will solve the question. First of all, we will copy all the assets in the debit side and all the liabilities in the credit side. Okay. So this is realization account. Realization account, particular amount, particular amount. Firstly, we will write here all the assets which are given in the question. Debtors account 27,000, to stock account 50,000, and third one is to furniture account 2,20,000. After writing all the assets, now we will write in the credit side all the liabilities which are given in the question. By sundry creditors, and the amount is 80,000. The next one is B's sisters. We have discussed if the partner has taken the loan, at that time we prepare the loan account separately. But now this is the B's sister, partner's sister. So we will write here B's sister's loan, account, and the amount is 20,000. We will write here. After doing this, now we will sell the all the assets. If the assets are sold, we will write in the credit side by the name of bank, and if any part or any asset is taken over by the partner, at that time we will write by the name of the partner. So we will write here firstly by bank assets realized. Assets realized. And furniture will fetch 1,05,000. Debtors we will write here 26,000, and after that 1,31,000 will come. Now, as we have discussed, partner B is taking the stock, some part of stock. So we will write here B's capital account. You can write in bracket stock 29,000. And now we will pay the liability which is given in the question. First of all, we will pay the liability of creditor bank to bank. In bracket you can write sundry creditors, and amount is 80,000. It means whole of the creditors will be paid off. Now we will pay the loan to B sister with interest. So we will write here to bank account, and in bracket you will write 20,000 of loan. This loan is given here, and in the question it is written that you will pay the 2,000 of interest also. So you will have to pay 22,000. After doing this, we will write here to bank, and in bracket we will write realization expenses or dissolution expenses. And this amount is given of rupees 5,000. After doing this, now we will take balance. First of all, we will make the total of the both side, and if we find the total is 4,04,000 of debit side is bigger than the credit side, so we will write here 4,04,000 in both the side, and after that when we deduct the credit side from the debit side, the balance would come 56,000, and this 56,000 will be distributed among the partners in the old ratio which is given in your question 3:2. Now we will distribute this 56,000 by the name of partner. So we will write here by B's capital account. First of all, before writing this, if the balance is coming in the credit side, means it is loss. As we know, if the balance is coming in the debit side, that would be the profit. So it would be called loss transfer to. Now we can write the name of the partner, A's capital and B's capital account, and this will be distributed in the old ratio 33,600, 22,400 will come. In this way, we will prepare the realization account. Now we will prepare the partner's capital account. Partner's capital account. We will write here particulars, and here the name of the partner we will write A and B were the partners, so A and B will be written here in the column of amount in particular. First of all, we will write here by balance brought down, and the amount of capital which are given in the question will be written here 1,75,000 and 1,94,000. 1,74,000 and 1,75,000 and 1,94,000. After writing this, as in the previous question, it was written the reserve and surplus. At that time, we have distributed that reserve and surplus here in the old ratio, but here no information about at any type of reserve is given, so we will not distribute anything. After that, now you are seeing here, this is the loss, and loss is given in the credit side. So we will write here in the debit side by the name of accounts name. We will write here to realization account. To realization account, and the losses will be written here 33,600, 22,400. After doing this, when losses will be written here, now the one amount will also become, you are seeing, if in this realization account any partner's name is written, you will have to transfer in the capital account in the opposite side. Now you can see here B's capital, B has taken over the capital, so we will write here of 29,000 by the name of realization account. So it would be written here realization account, and B has taken over, so we will write in the column of B 29,000. And in the same way, if any other side here it is written, you will write here if any other partner's name is given, 50% of the furniture was taken over by A at 20%. So it will also be written here by A's capital, and this amount will come of 88,000. So we will write here to realization account 88,000 in the column of A. After doing this, we will take balance, and this total is bigger, so we will write here 1,75,000 and 1,94,000 in both the sides. And after that, we will take the balance, and the amount will come 53,400 and 1,42,600. This would be the final payment, so we will write here to bank, and if you want, you can write in the bracket by the name final payment. Now, after preparing the partner's capital account, the last account will be prepared, and the name of this account is bank account. First of all, we will write here particulars, amount, particulars, and amount. Firstly, we will write here to balance brought down, and this amount of cash or bank is given in your question by the name of bank, and the amount is 1,72,000 we will write here. After doing this, we will see in the realization account, wherever the bank is written, you will transfer that entry into the bank account. If the entry is in debit side, you will write in credit side, and on the other hand, if the entry is given in the credit side, you will write in the debit side in the bank account. So we will write here this amount 1,31,000. So we will write here by the name of account, realization account, and the amount is 1,31,000. We will write in the debit side. Now we will see in the debit side, wherever the bank is written, it will be transferred into the bank account in the credit side, because all these amounts are given in the debit side. So we will write here by realization, always the name of account will come. The realization account 80,000. The next is by realization account. By realization account 22,000. This is the amount of these sisters loan. The next is realization account, amount of expenses 5,000. The next is Ace capital account. The final payment was given in the partners capital account. We will also see in the capital account. So we will write here 53,400. And last one is B's capital account. This is the amount 1,42,600. After doing this, now we will make the balance. If the balance is equal, the question is right, otherwise the question is wrong, and the total is equal 3,03,000 will come in both the side. So students, in this way we will prepare this account, bank account, and after preparing these three accounts, this question is finishes. Okay, we will take another question in the next video. Till then, thank you.